frosted doggy crackles. Now these have been inspired by the chocolate crackles which we all remember at our birthday parties when we were growing up. So we took this inspiration and we have designed a treat specifically for dogs. This is a treat that is light, it's fluffy, it's crunchy, they're going to eat it quickly, but it's low in fat. So we have puffed rice, and then on top of that we've now coated it in our famous no melt Carob and Yoghurt Frosting. And then from there we've set it to make it look like it's a chocolate crackle. But it's only carob that's in it, which is okay for dogs. And if you want to find out more about carob, please feel free to go to our website and do some research. But these treats are great fun. They're going to love them and they'll eat them quickly. 100% Australian made, no artificial preservatives added or sugar added.